Hey, good morning. It is March 1st, 2025. I'm here with Jared. He has a channel, Fishing with a Rod. We are in beautiful Bonita Springs, Florida. We are at Bonita Beach again. I know I like coming here a lot, but this is my stomping ground. And I gotta tell you, 2 weeks ago, ice fishing, it's a little bit warmer than that. So what are we fishing for today or hoping to catch?
There should be some pompano in. There should be some bonnet heads in. The small black tips should be in.
Nice. Any whiting?
Yeah, you could probably catch whiting.
So when I was fishing under the bridge, I was like, hey, I caught a jack. And then someone commented, that was a pompano, right? So I really don't know the difference.
It's a very good eating fish.
Yeah.
Pompano is.
Maybe we'll be able to figure out.
Yeah, if we can get on pompano today, that would be awesome. I'd definitely take some home and do a catch and cook.
Cool. Well, I am gonna fish with some cut shrimp. The shrimp I got, they're huge. So I'll cut them in pieces. It'll last a little bit longer, but let's throw our lines in and get ready.
All right, let's do it.
Right on. Okay, so the last time I used my rod was when I was here last, and I really hope it casts okay. So we're gonna see what happens. You can see the waves are crashing right in front of me, so that's where the sandbar is. So I'm gonna throw just short of the waves crashing, see what I can land there. And maybe later on I'll try to throw it out a little farther, maybe past the sandbar if I can. Oh, that was right there. That was absolutely perfect. Cast good. All right, gonna see what happens. It's a gorgeous day today. The sun just came up, so I was able to turn the cameras on, obviously. 10 minutes ago, it was like pitch black out, so here we go. Okay, I have my first bite for today. Maybe. Maybe not. Well, Jared had to take off a little early, and we weren't catching really anything at that other location. He caught 2 or 3 fish. I didn't catch anything, so I decided to move up the beach, probably about a good mile away from where I was fishing before. I never really have too much luck at the earlier inlets like number 1 and number 2 at Bonita. So now I'm at like 8, I think. And up here is where I tend to have a little bit of better luck. So I'm gonna give it a shot. I have a live shrimp on. I didn't cut it up. Sandbar again is just right out in front of me. Waves are breaking, so I'm just gonna cast a little short. I'm gonna see what happens here. It's right at the edge of the sandbar. It is finally getting a little warm. The sun is up, it's nice. Unlike this morning, it was cold. Something's stuck. Oh, I got it. Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh, wow. I think I just lost. I think I lost it. It was huge. Damn. Damn it. I saw it jump out there, and it was amazingly big. Look, it totally broke my leader. Damn. Bad leader. That sucks. Just frayed that metal. I guess that metal wasn't that good. I didn't throw it too far out. There we go. Maybe. Something little. There we go. Finally, a nice whiting. Look at that, a nice whiting. I think I'm gonna take this one back and have it for lunch. That's great, that's a nice whiting. So I finally got a fish. About where I had it before. All right, that's exciting. One fish. Hopefully a few more will bite. Just got tagged again. That took most of my bait. Finally getting some action today. They're just now starting to bite. That's awesome. Another really nice whiting. Definitely have lunch today. Finally having a good day. 2 fish so far. Hitting it just right in that spot. Right in front of the sandbar. And just within the past like 20 minutes, I caught 2 fish, so that's awesome. That was a big strike. I don't know if it's swimming in or... No, I lost it. That was a huge strike. Finally got it. Finally got it. That's like it's swimming in. It's like another whiting. Another really beautiful whiting. Another beautiful whiting. They're really hitting today. That's great. Okay, 3. Maybe I'll catch one more. We'll have a great lunch or dinner tonight. Okay, I only have a couple pieces of bait left, which is a shame because they're really starting to bite now. I'm just getting it right in front of those waves. Tide is coming in. That is the reason for all these bites. Let's just wait here for a second. Knock on wood, but at least I'm not catching catfish. I hope it didn't take my bait. I'm running out. Took my bait. There we go. Oh, yep. No, I don't know. No, it's on. It's on. They're very little. Nope. Well, just a little one. I'm gonna throw this back. Unfortunately, he took my bait. Things are starting to slow down here at Bonita Beach. It was fast and furious for about a half an hour, caught 4 fish. And so thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. You have yourself an amazing time fishing.